First of all, I saw it on Facebook video of a girl doing this, and it was just kind of stuck with me. My last year's New Year's resolution was to do a year without eyebrows. I have made it almost a complete year. My eyebrows are finally starting to grow back, and I kept up with it throughout the year. I've learned a lot about doing eyebrows. It was fun, but now it's just time for a change. So happy early New Year's to me. We're doing it. Oh, here we go. I don't know if I can. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it's weird. Oh, it's weird. So why am I doing this, you ask? Well, honestly, I've been trying to get my hair to go back all natural for a while, you know, stop the coloring and all that, and just see how it goes. And I am so tired. Like, I don't have time to do my hair and my makeup. I always think girls who have like this side shave or what have you just look so awesome. When I see celebrities who do it, not Skrillex, thank you very much, although I'm sure that's what I'm looking like kind of right now. Oh boy, how can I stop here? No, I can't, I just gotta go for it. I just gotta do it. I just gotta, woo-wee. Oh, I can't believe I did it. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Wee. Oh, I can't believe I did it. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. And I see celebrities with like super short haircuts or like the G.I. Jane status. Honestly, oh my god, oh my hair, oh my hair. Oh my god, oh my hair, oh my hair, oh my hair, oh my hair. Oh yeah, there it goes. Wow. Oh my god. The celebrities look so good with it, and I'm just so, oh, I had to try. I had to do it at least once to say I did it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh my god, I look like my dad. Nope, gotta keep going at this point. Feels like, I don't know, like weirdly smooth, but also like kind of itchy, like Velcro. Oh my god. And if I really hate it, I do have a collection of scarves, right? And wigs. Ooh, I can up my wig game. Heck yes. Actually, that was the overall thing, is I did a year without eyebrows, and I've learned to do eyebrows so much better. So this way, I'm getting rid of all of my icky colored hair. I will have nice virgin hair again once it all grows back. I can start treating my hair properly, you know, conditioning it, putting the hair masks in, and really just taking care of it as it should have been all along. And in the meantime, I get to experiment with fun looks and wigs, and I get to change it up all the time without having to worry about damaging the real thing. Woo! Was it a leap? Oh yeah, for sure. My parents are gonna freak. Oh my god, my husband's not even home. Oh my god, I wonder if he'll be shocked if I actually did it. Oh my god, Thanksgiving's around the corner. I should just leave it like this for Thanksgiving. Whoa, look at all his hair. Oh my god. You know, if I were smart, I would have been doing this in the bathroom where I could have just vacuumed it all up. But instead, I had to go and do this in the studio where it is not hardwood, linoleum, or whatever the hell the bathroom is. I have my little mole there, I forgot. Oh, how weird. Oh, I kind of like it. I don't know. I kind of like it, kind of hate it. I'm kind of scared still, even though it's already almost done at this point. Ooh, leave Brittany alone. Oh man. Whew. Now the question is, will the carpet match the drapes? Oh my giggity. Ugh. I hate my sideburns. I always hated my sideburns. I don't know why. Ooh. Oh, yes, let's leave the patch behind the ear because that's just ultimately so cute. Yes, queen. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let's get all this rest of this off. La, 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 la. Well, let's be real. Okay, I see some areas I definitely need to clean up. Ooh, more hair. Ooh, hairballs. Like right there. All right, let me go clean this up and dust off and I'll be right back. Oh, I love me some Chris Crocker too. So I'm sure a lot of you asked at that point in time, no, she didn't. Yeah, your girl did, okay? But look at that. Oh, it's so freeing. And then just to be extra cutesy, I put a little temporary tattoo back here of a little flower with some gold in it and just, Oh, I love me some Chris Crocker too. All right. Hi, how you guys doing? I don't know about you, but I am so ready to go. Okay, bye-bye.